road's gone up ahead. We have to...
What was that? Look! Look! The whole mountain's coming down! Go, go, go! We're almost done.
Get that footage. This has to be an A+, maybe
We're
a
in
9.
Chinatown and the city is falling apart!
Look at that building, it's coming down! We have to move!
This is the most destructive footage we'll ever...
It's a wedge! It's over a mile wide! Look at that motion! Look at the debris! We are right in the path!
This is it! The ultimate shot! The best tornado footage ever caught! Look at the power!
200-mile-an-hour inflow! Pressure's tanking!
House just went airborne!
Go, go, go! It's here! Flash flood! The whole street is gone!
Look at the bus! It's gone! It's an unbelievable power! The most insane flood footage we've ever seen!
Move! Up the stairs! It's still rising!
We're at the intersection in Zone 1 where the tremor hit. The ground it's moving. The cracks are getting wider.
It's collapsing! The whole street! It's a massive sinkhole! Did you get that? The bus just fell in!
Wait, his brakes. There was a shockwave! Get that foot!
The sea, it's gone. It's pulling everything out. This is the sign, just like they say. The big one is coming.
Oh my god, look! On the horizon, that's it! It's bigger than the first, it's a monster! This is the footage, hold on to something!
Tsunami warning. This is not a...
Oh my god. The whole face is sliding!
That's a Class 5 avalanche! It's triggering everything! Look at the powder blast! It's coming right for us! Run! Take cover!
This is insane! We are on the northern slopes of Mount Merapi. The main cone is going. The ash is ankle deep.
Look, that's a pyroclastic flow. This is it. The most terrifying eruption footage ever caught. That whole valley is gone.
You're completely buried.
This is a total whiteout. The wind is over 100 miles an hour. We can't move.
This is insane! We're in the heart of the bomb cyclone! The most violent blizzard footage ever!
This is the biggest haboob we've ever seen. It's thousands of feet high. It's about to hit the city.
It's here! Get in the truck! Brace!
Zero visibility. Got storm warning. Pull off the road.
We're inside the storm. Look, it's pitch black! All units, evacuate all personnel!
The lake has collapsed. Repeat, evacuate.
Copy, we're pulling out.
That's a full-on fire tornado. It's coming straight for us.
Get in the truck.